Good morning, reception. It's Mrs. Sharp. Welcome to another week of phonics. It's Monday today. I think we should begin. So I need to do a few different things today. I need to share my screen. Here we go. And then I need to click on slideshow. It worked. And can you see I'm in a little rectangle today? I'm not in a bubble. So that's a bit exciting for me, isn't it? Right, let's begin. It's for Monday, the first day in our week. Okay, are we sitting up straight? Are we ready to do some amazing phonics? I know you are. Right, we're going to do a warm-up like we used to do when we were in the classroom. You would come in, grab your whiteboard, and you would start writing the letters of the alphabet. So I want you to press pause in a minute and try really hard with your cursive letters, keeping those letters on the line and going walking, running, flying, and back. I know you can do it. Press pause now. Okay, everybody, well done. Can you please hold it up so I can see your gorgeous letters? Wow, that's amazing. Gosh, you are ready for a new week of phonics. Let's sing our letters. Now, I hope you can see my mouse on the screen. If you can, then we can point to the letters as we sing. Sitting up straight. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Lovely. Let's say our sounds. Okay, I'm going to go quite fast. Let's try say each sound 2 times. S, s, ah, ah, t, t, I, g, g, k, k, d, d, eh, oh, k, k, oh, k, r, r, s, s, b, j, j, v, v, z, z, w, w, x, x, y, y, z, z, qu, qu, as in queen. Again, qu, qu, as in queen. Ch, ch, as in chicken. Ch, ch, as in chicken. Sh, sh, as in shoe. Sh, sh, as in shoe. As in ring. As in ring. Th and th, th and th, as in thumb. Th and th, th and th, as in thumb. A, as in rain. A, sorry, as in rain. E, as in leak. E, as in leak. I, as in night. I as in night. O as in goat. O as in goat. As in book. As in book. Here's the long one. Ooh as in moon. Ooh as in moon. Ah as in card. Ah as in card. Our new sound of the day, gosh, we know loads now, is, ooh, we've got an O and a R. Does anyone know what that sound might be? O and a R. It's a digraph. 2 letters make one sound, and the sound is aw. Aw. Can you say that? Aw. Look to your window and say aw. Aw. Look to the ceiling and say aw. Aw. Look at the screen and say aw. Aw. Now the action is putting your hands on your head and bringing your fingers forward and saying aw. 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 Now the reason we do that is because it goes with the sound E-aw, E-aw. So it's like a donkey. These are our big donkey ears. So we already know E as in leek, and now we know aw as in fork. Now I just want to show you, I hope you can see it here. I'm just going to hold my phone up here. Now I have got a sound mat on Twinkle. Now this is why we say all the sounds like ch as in chicken, sh as in shoe, and here we are, or as in fork. So if you've got one of those sound mats, then that's brilliant. That's why we always say or as in fork, so when they're writing they can find it on their sound mat. So or, don't forget it. Okay, we've got some tricky words. Are you ready? I think we're going to just whiz through these. So let's say each one 2 times. Go, go. Oh, sorry, reception. I need to just say I've got a bit of a trick for you. Remember before I've said that sometimes on computers it changes the font, what the words look like on screen. Now my computer at home has changed the font on all the writing. So see if you can work out some of these strange letters. I know the G looks very strange today and some of the other letters do. So let's start again. Go, go. I, the, no, no, two, into, be, she, we. I'm looking at that first letter to give me a clue. Me. Oh, that's a looks a bit like a today, doesn't it? So it's he. You. Miss Philpotts told you that one last week, didn't she? And can you see that looks a little bit different today? Are you my friend? Our new tricky word of the week is, okay, we've got a and a that be? Does anyone know? Oh, I think someone might do. It's her. Her hair was long. Her shoes were black. Her bedroom is tidy. Her. So what we're going to do is point to a girl and say her. Do it with me. Her. Her. Okay, it begins with a h. The middle sound is an e and it ends in a r. So 3 letters make tricky word her. We'll practice it all week. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit different today. Can you just get your blending arm and go cooey? Okay, we need it nice and long. I'm going to put a word on the screen and we're going to sound it out and blend it together. We'll sound it out 2 times before we blend. So we've got v, a, n. Let's do it 2 times. V, a, n. V, a, n. What is it? Van. Did you get it right? Okay, let's move on. Now the letters are a bit joined up today. Can you work out what letter this is? We need that arm, j, middle sound, e, final sound, t. 2 times, j, e, t, j, e, t. That's right, it's a jet. Whoa, we're so good at this. Okay, the letters are joined up. Can you work out what this first one is? It's a w, e, last sound, b. 2 times, w, e, b, w, e, b. It was web. Gosh, you are getting good at reading. Okay. W, middle sound, I, final sound, g. W, I, g. W, I, g. Expert, I heard you then. It's a wig. Okay. First sound, b, middle sound, o, final sound, x. 2 times, b, ox, b, ox. Of course it is. It's box. Did you get that right as well? Okay. What you need to do now is get a pencil and some paper. If you need to press pause whilst you go and get them, press pause now. Can you remember our new digraph? Of course, or. So all our words today are going to have the or sound in. Can you help me write them down? Now I can do something a little bit fancy now. I can draw with you, and this time my letters are not going to disappear. So let's write together. Okay, what can you see? Of course, it's a fork. Fork. Let's sound it out first. Or, again, or. So we know that we need a first. So starting on the line, walking, running, flying to the side, down, down, and round. Now we need the or. Can you remember what 2 letters we need? Whoa, we need an O and a R. Starting on the line, walking, running, flying to the side, background, up and flick. There's the O, and now we need the R. Walking, running, flying, down, up and over. Or. What's the last sound? Orc. Here's a question. Is it a curly K or a kicking k? It's a kicking k. Walking, running, flying. Down, back up a little bit, round and flick. Fantastic. Okay, I need to press clear and then I can move on to the next slide. Let's have a look. Can I do it? Can I work out how to move on to the next slide? I don't think I can. Yes. Okay. This is a cork. Now you might have some corks at home. Let's get my pen. Okay, I'm learning with you again. We like to do it together. Cork. Let's sound it out. K, or, k, k, or, k. Okay, here's a question. What k is at the beginning? It's curly. Well done. Walking, running, flying to the side and round. Okay, can you remember how to do the or sound? So, yeah, it's an O and a R. Let's do it. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, oops, up and flick. And the R. Walking, running, flying, down, up and over. Okay, k or k. Curly, kicking, or both? Good try. It's kicking again. Walking, running, flying, down. That's a bit wobbly, but it doesn't matter. Up a bit, round and flick. Oh, gosh, you're doing so well. Okay, let's see if Mrs. Sharp can get to the next picture. Did I press that button? Might need to press this. Learning together. That's what it's all about. Come on, reception, blow on your screen. There we go, we did it. Torn. The paper has been torn. Oh, that's sad. Torn. Okay. Sound it out with Mrs. Sharp. T, or, n, t, or, n. Torn. Now, I know we're all experts at that t, t, t. So I'm not going to say anything. You can do it by yourself. Did you do it? Did we do it together? I love it. Okay. Oh, can you remember those two letters? O and a R. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, up and flick. And a R. Walking, running, flying, down, up and over. Well done. What's the last sound? T, or, n. Walking, running, flying, down, up, over and flick. Have you been staying on your lines? Oh, well done. So proud. Okay, let's get under. I think I'll have to press clear first. We'll press this. Okay. Mrs. Sharp loves a challenge. Okay, this is your time to really try hard. This is a cornet. When you go get an ice cream and you get it in a cone, it's called a cornet. Or there's an instrument called a cornet as well. Now, cornet. That's your clue. Cornet. Okay, I love a long word. We can do it. Are you ready to sound it out? K, on, et. K, on, et. Cornet. Okay, I know we can do this. We can do it together, or you can do it by yourself without any help at all. Oh, where's my pen? Here it is. Right, what's the first sound? K. It's a curly K. walking, running, flying to the side and round. Or. We know what that is now, don't we? It's an O and a walking, running, flying. Round, up and flick. And a walking, running, flying. Down, up and over. Cornet. Net. 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 We can do this. I know we can. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, over and flick. What's the next sound in net? Well done. Walking, running, flying and going over. Lovely. And the final sound, cornet. Yep, you heard it. It's a t. Walking, running, flying. Down and flick. Hold it up. Are you seriously in reception writing words like this? How many letters have we just done? We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've just done a 6-letter word. I think we need a silent cheer for that. That was excellent. I just can't believe it. Right, last challenge. And oh, hang on. Oh, Mrs. Sharp hasn't cleared the screen. All right, let's work out what to do. Oh, it's all going wrong. Uh-oh. Reception, can you help me somehow? What do I need to do? Here we go. I need to press clear. Mrs. Sharp is not very good at this, am I? I hope you're not laughing. Okay, right. Can you read this sentence? You can either do it with me or you can press pause and do it by yourself. But first, we can look. And oh gosh, Mrs. Sharp is not good at this, am I? Here we go. It's a learning day today. I'll be better tomorrow. Right, if you want to do it by yourself, press pause now. Okay, we can do it together. We've got a tricky word here. You. Okay, let's sound this one out. And. And. You and another tricky word. I. You and I. Can. You and I can. I can see a digraph here. I'm going to underline it. Okay, let's sound out the word. Eat. Eat. Meet. You and I can meet on. Tricky word. Look, this t doesn't have a flick here. It's a little bit different, but we know it's a t. So, what tricky word is this? The. Well done. You and I can meet on the. Oh, I love a word with more than one digraph. Now, I'm going to help you with this word. We've got k. Oh, it's our new one. What's that? K. Or. And we haven't done this digraph, so it doesn't matter if you don't know it. This is Let's sound this word out together. K. Or. Corner. Whoa, let's read it together. You and I can meet on the corner. Reception, we need to celebrate. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to stand up and do a crazy dance. Are you ready? Stand up, crazy dance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Oh my gosh, what a celebration. That was such a hard challenge that I made you do then. So now we need to get rid of this. Look, I'm learning now. I think I know what to do. And then we're going to flick to this screen. Yay! So if you want to, you can type in on YouTube Geraldine the giraffe, and then you need to type in the O and the for the O sound. Geraldine the giraffe, O, and you can watch that video. And also, I have put on some examples of the types of songs that we love to do in reception. So you can press pause on this page and check out some of those on YouTube too. Oh, I'm exhausted after that reception. Thank you so much. Now, I wonder what happens if I press this. Oh, I've turned big again. So, have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.